everyone, and welcome back. This is negative numbers, and it should be number 2 because we're adding and subtracting, which is slightly more difficult than timesing and dividing. So if you're doing this one before you've done negative numbers, timesing and divide, go back and watch that one first, okay? But they are different. So nothing to worry about, but they are different. And some people do struggle. So just bear that in mind. Some people do struggle with this because they look at the timesing and dividing and they think, oh, it's exactly the same. We apply the rule exactly the same. Well, we don't. We don't apply the rule exactly the same. First of all, we should know this. What's a negative number? These are positive numbers. These are negative numbers. Happy days. You should also know this. If the symbols are the same, it's always a positive. If the symbols are different, it's always a negative. But this is the interesting thing. How we apply the negative number rule is different this time round. So what do these questions look like? Here we go. This is what they look like. Now, would you be amazed for me to say that what we're looking for on these questions is actually the symbols here, okay? Not the symbols here. That is the difference. So we're looking for the symbols here. Can we see that there is no other symbol? But remember, yeah, remember that. So we're looking for the symbols across here. So let me just circle that one there. So when we talk about are the symbols the same, we have a positive. Are these symbols the same? They're not. So we have a negative. Are these symbols the same? No. So we have a negative. Are these symbols the same? Yes, they are. They are the same. So we have a positive. Are these ones the same? Yes, they are. So we have a positive. Are these ones the same? Yes, they are. We have a positive. Are these the same? No. So it's a negative. Now, that's how you apply the rule. So we're going to go through how you work them out. So we'll just go back. Just go back. Don't worry about these. Don't worry about these. Don't worry about these symbols here. They mean absolutely nothing when it comes to the negative number rule. All right? Forget about that one. It's about those symbols in the middle. Can I make that any more important for you to understand and remember? It's those symbols in the middle that make all the difference. Let's have a look at the questions now. Let's work it out. Now, you'll notice a little number line came up there. That's going to help us as we're going through here. So the first thing we're going to do, let's just forget about all the other questions. Let's just do the first one now, right? So we're going to say, are these symbols the same? Well, they're not. So we're going to go for a negative. So we can forget about this now. -3 minus 6. Now, this is -3. -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, and this will, let's just say this is -2 and this is -1. So all of this question is saying, okay, we owe £3. We take another £6 out. So look, I owe £3, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I now owe £9. So it's -3, take away another 6. That gets us to -9. All right? Okay, I know some of you are probably sitting there going, what is Mr. Warnock? Why is he being sort of so weird? Well, I'm weird anyway, I know that, but I'm doing it slowly because it's really important that you understand how different it is to timesing and dividing, but how similar it is. So let's do this one. Are these symbols the same? No, they're not. So it's going to be a minus. All right, so I can get rid of all of that. So I've got 2, and I'm going to -3 away. So let's draw 2 on the thing. We're going to go 1. We're going to go 0. We're going to go -1, -2. So I have 2. I take away 3. I have 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's draw those arrows. 1, 2, 3. I end up with minus 1. Okay? So we're not going to use the number line anymore now, right? We're just going to use our common sense. So are these symbols the same? Yes, they are. So minus 4 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 gives me the minus 2. If you need to use the number line, use it. This one, are the symbols the same? Yes, they are. So it's a positive. Minus 12 plus 4. Okay, so minus 12 plus 4 is actually minus 8. Again, use the number line on a sheet of paper if that's what you need to do. Are these symbols the same? Yes, they are. So 36 plus 6 gets me to 42. And last but not least, are these symbols the same? No, they're not. So minus 14, take away another 2, gets me to minus 16. Now, for some of you are going to find that difficult. If you find it difficult, draw out a number line. That is the key. That is the key. Please draw out a number line. And then if you draw out a number line, you're far less likely to get it wrong if you draw that number line out. Can I say that again? Draw out a number line. Here's the quiz questions. Pause the video. Come back. Draw a number line. Do the questions. See if you've got them right. Okay. Pause it now. Okay, so here we go. Here goes our answers to the questions. Yes, can you see here how I haven't done these last two for some reason. Let's just say there. Boom. Like that. Oh, crikey. So that's going to be a plus. And this one here, the symbols are different, so it's going to be a negative. Okay, so let's go here. We've got minus 4, minus, because they're both different, 6, and we've got minus 10. We've got 10, take away 3, all right, gives them a 7. We've got minus 5 plus 2, minus 3. We've got minus 40 plus 4, gives us this minus 36. We've got 12 plus 6 gives me 18. And I've got minus 66 minus another 2, which gives me minus 68. Hopefully you got those right. If you didn't get them right, then guess what you need to do now? You need to go back and watch it again. I apologize. But anyway, hopefully you somewhat enjoyed this. I'll hopefully see you back if I haven't really put you off maths for the rest of your life next time.